Welcome to the online learning platform with LCAO. We are so excited to have you in our Animal Diploma program. Before you get started, please watch this short tutorial video explaining the flow of the Diploma program. So we'll start off now with logging in. Your login credentials were sent to you in your welcome letter that you received from the LCAO director. If you end up copying and pasting your username and password, just be sure that you don't accidentally copy a space before or after the text. It will count as an extra character and you won't be able to log in. So just ensure there's no extra spaces. Once you've logged in, you'll see the main dashboard. From here, you can access all of your courses that are found in your program. The order that you should take the preclinical courses in is also found in that welcome letter that you found your username and password in. So you can always refer back to that email if you are looking for the specific order that you should complete the courses in. Once you've completed your preclinical courses, it's then time to move on to the clinical side of things. For your clinical training, you will begin with Unit 1. It is very important that you read through the introductory tab to see exactly what is included in each unit and how you will be assessed. This tab can be used as your checklist to ensure that you have completed all parts of the unit. For example, here with Unit 1, I see that there are 4 lessons that I need to complete, and my assessment is 10 case studies, and I need to upload those case studies for review. Each unit has different information in this introductory tab, so it is really important that you read through each introductory tab for each unit. After you've read through the introduction for Unit 1, please read through the clinical guidelines document. This is found under the Lesson 1 tab. This will give you details about what is expected of you in clinical training and how to get the most out of each unit. At the end of each unit, you'll see an Upload tab. This is where you're going to submit your assessment for that unit. All instructions for upload are found in the Upload tab. So again, for example, in Unit 1, we need to upload case studies. In the Upload tab, there is a case study template for you to use. Once you've completed all required assignments for each unit, you are ready to move on then to the next unit. So you're going to work your way through the clinical studies in this way. So you go through each unit, uploading the assessments as you complete them. Finally, you will reach Unit 8. This unit is meant to be your final assessment upload location. The first thing you need to do is complete your final video assessment. This is going to look at all the clinical training you have received so far in one final video. Your instructor will be in touch with you once your video has been submitted, and they will set up a short Skype or phone call with you or a series of emails if that's what you would prefer, and they will deliver you your feedback. Once you receive a passing grade on your final video assessment, you're ready to move on to the final portion of Unit 8. So this final portion is the thesis and portfolio. These 2 tasks can be completed simultaneously, and the instructions for both of them are found under their respective tabs in Unit 8. Combined, these 2 final assessments should take you roughly 3 months to complete. Your instructors will be there to support and help you throughout those 3 months whenever you need them. When you're ready, you can upload your thesis and portfolio under their respective tab, and an instructor will then review them. Upon completion of this final leg of the diploma program, you will be awarded your diploma in Animal Osteopathic Manipulative Therapy. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of the flow of the diploma program with LCAO. Please be in touch if you have any further questions. Enjoy your learning and happy studying.